Here is an overview on what's all about this panel. So on the left side over here we have the power switch on and off position. Actually it's a run position and stop position. To start the generator you have to press this one twice. You have here 3 ports. This is used in case, let me show you, there are some dedicated cables for Predator generators from Harbor Freight, so you can use this one in parallel with the other generator or other generators in case you have multiple ones. I don't know what's the limit, but yeah. Then you have the 20 amp GFCI outlet over here. Have the test reset button, the same like you have in your bathroom. 120 20 amp. This is the regular one. Then you have over here a 30 amp 120. As you see, you have 3 prongs, so it means that it's a negative, a positive, and a neutral. So 120. Then you have next to it, let me show it like that, is the 30 amp, which works also 120 and 240. This is the main plug used for food trucks. I would say this is the main one, but because most of the people are using other type of generators, they have to use the adapter from this one to this one. Let me show you. So yeah, this is what I'm saying. This is a 30 amp 240 volt and 120. Okay, you have a fuse over here as well, and a switch in between 120 and 240. On mine always stays in between. So in this position you can use also 120. This is 120 only. So let's go further. Now you have some USB-A and USB-C ports. It seems here that you can plug in your phone and charge it with 24 watts. Didn't try it, but yeah, I agree. Then this is the 50 amp breaker. It's so cool that you have also a breaker over here on this one, so you can turn off the breaker, put your plug in your food truck, and then to turn the breaker on. And it's the same thing with this part over here of the panel. So using this one has a separate breaker than the 50 amp, so 30 amp and 50 amp. This is gold. This is gold for food truck owners, because this is the plug that you use to plug to any set location. This is the plug that the food truck comes with. So you have the twist and lock on one part and this one on the other side. This is a 240 volt 50 amp. Yeah, so this is what I'm saying. This is gold. This in particular makes this generator more food truck owner friendly because of this. And then you have the selection of 3 modes. How this one can be used in terms of fuel. So you have liquid propane over here, you have natural gas, and also gas. I'm using it on gas all the time, but it's so nice to have this option, as both food trucks, both trailers, they have 30 pound or 25 gallon tanks, so this one can run a week. So that's it. Over here you have the liquid propane and the natural gas plug. Then, as you can see over here, there are ratings for all fuels you're gonna use. So for gas is rated for 9,000 watts, and then 8100 for propane and 7200 for natural gas. Not bad, not bad, taking in consideration that this unit has 4 wheels, so you can move it back and forth pretty easy. I'm running this one for at events at least 6 hours, and sometimes I'm coming with the fuel tank more than half. So in terms of gas, with the prices right now, of course, yeah, I got it. But even so, it's a good unit. It's a good unit. I feel like the Honda consumes more gas than the Predator generators, especially this one, the new one. I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, there is one more thing over here, battery charging post. This one has no replacing battery, so you can replace the battery. I don't know if it's an alternator inside, so if the battery will eventually, you have to charge it. I feel like when I got the generator, you have also a box. I didn't even look in the box. All accessories, so probably over there you have the plug to charge the battery. Till now, nothing to report bad, only good things. Yeah, I hope you'll enjoy it.